Ayush, welcome you all to our channel. Hope you all are safe, healthy and also doing well. Today we are going to share with you one of our site which is simply divided into three parts so that you can understand it very easily. First one is a small mandir, second one is room 1 and the third which we have denoted as room 2. The basic requirement of both the room is that both the room must have a king size bed with proper vastu and a fully functional wardrobe. Let's start with the planning. Room 1 which is 16 by 10 feet, we have planned a king size bed at south and the wardrobes in the corner and a desk over here at the right, and all the laths would be colored in white. Now let's see the dressing. Here is the inner layout of the wardrobe. The center space of the wardrobe is easily usable for long dresses and also for shirts. In this room, which is approx 9 into 10, we have placed a king size bed at the corner, and here you can see the inner layout of a sliding wardrobe which we have planned for this space. Now let's see how execution turned and how we have implemented things over here. you like the renovation, let us know by liking it and comment करके बताइए कि what you think about this renovation. Also, subscribe our channel Asha-A Creations for more such interior makeover videos and also click the bell icon right beside subscribe button. इसी के साथ I आयुष signing off. Bye bye, take care.